Hello and a very warm welcome. We've received a series of requests from candidates wanting feedback from professional review interviews. And so what we plan to do over the next few weeks will be to provide feedback from candidates who have recently been interviewed. We will consider some of the questions asked during the interview. I would like to use this opportunity to congratulate our mentees who became chartered in the first quarter of 2022. And I would like to thank candidates who have helped provide this feedback. Now, it has been a real pleasure working with you. Now, if you're preparing for your professional review, I strongly recommend that you watch this video from the beginning right through to the end. And please do make sure you subscribe to the channel and like the video because it tells us that you value the content. And finally, if you subscribe, you will not miss out on any of the videos that we will be uploading. So please tell us in the comment sections what areas you would like us to provide additional information on. A quick summary of what to expect during the interview. So you will be asked whether you would like to be interrupted by the panelists during your presentation. My advice is that you are flexible in this area. It is important that you use bullet points for your slides. This is because you will be tempted to read the slides if you have included too much information. Your registration advisor is expected to review your slides and provide necessary advice. Now, your overview slide is very important. So this is just one slide out of the 5 slides that I recommend you produce for your professional review interview. Now, with just a slide, you can set the tone for the interview and give the panelists a very good summary of what it is that you did. Now, do not hesitate to contact us if you require help with preparing the perfect slide for your presentation. Before the interview starts, you would be reminded that you have 15 minutes to present. Try not to exceed this time because it shows that you are disciplined and you can follow instructions. Just to let you know, our candidates have got absolutely no issue with this because we train them to complete the interview within 12 minutes. The feedback from candidates, especially the ones with the Institution of Engineering and Technology, is that 60% of the questions asked were from the UK spec A and B competencies, so the technical bit. Now, whilst not neglecting competence C, D, and E, you must pay special attention to the A and the B competences. So do not underestimate these sections. It is not enough to know what you did. You must present the information in a clear and logical manner. We will be delighted to help you prepare for the interview through our specialized mock interviews, an up-to-date database of interview questions and answers. Get a very good understanding of the engineering theories and principles you use in your project. You must demonstrate a comprehensive knowledge and understanding of the mathematics, science, and engineering principles underpinning engineering. For instance, what computational and analytical techniques did you select and apply to solve complex problems? What existing knowledge did you use to develop new systems? Whilst solving complex problems, what technical papers, laboratory data, research, or other literature did you critically evaluate? How did you select and apply information from technical literature, appropriate international and national standards, code of practice, and industry standards to substantiate solutions to engineering problems? Did you consider safety? Did you incorporate safety into your design? Can you explain the different components of your system and explain the different stages of the project life cycle? How was quality assurance applied? How did you comply with quality? Did you carry out efficiency tests on your system? What important decisions did you make? Why did you decide to go with option A instead of option B? You are expected to speak about the project management tools or software you have applied. Code of conduct is very important. Make sure you're very strong in this area. You're also expected to speak about your professional development, your development plans, the tools you use to record your continuing personal development. So for instance, for the IET, you would use the career manager. How do you develop your competences? How do you help younger or less experienced engineers? Are you a volunteer? Provide examples of where you respect ethics and also examples of where you did not yield to pressure. What are the 4 ethical principles and how do you manage conflict of interests? My advice is that you ask a good question at the end of the interview. So a good question would be, what plans has your professional body got regarding setting up a network in your country? So in the case where one does not exist already. So thank you very much for watching. Do not hesitate to contact us if you require support. And finally, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. I would appreciate it if you liked the video. This always motivates us to create more videos. So thank you very much. Have an amazing day, and I wish you the very best in your pursuit of becoming a chartered engineer and also in your professional life. Thank you.